this place right here is called Sue's Kitchen. I might just see what they have in their menu. Let's just take a look at Sue's Kitchen. Sue's Kitchen has like Vietnamese and Thai and different stuff, so good to see. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is kind of another area of Macau. Yeah, and it's pretty cool. There's like some windows that kind of have like 360, 180 degree sides. And this is Altira, so actually this is a casino. And I think there's also, I've heard there's some pretty amazing views in this one. I don't know if they go up to the top or the bottom, but there's some live music somewhere in here. But it's a casino. This is the bus stop right here. This looks pretty cool too. And if you go down that way, there's Central Park. Central Park, I have filmed in there, so you can do a search. There's a map right here. Let me just go to the map. So you can see from the map, we're up here. Macau proper is up there, and this is called Taipa Island. So we're right up here, the yellow. And we're catching a little bit of rain here. And I thought I'd walk a little bit on here, down here, just so you can get another feel for some of this stuff. This is called Venus Disco. It was what was once Venus Disco. It's starting to rain now. Dang it. Let's just see if you can, I don't know if you can see anything, it's completely dark. But yeah, Venus Disco looks like it was once something else. And dang, we're gonna get caught in this rain here. Venus Disco right there. Venus Disco nightclub. So yeah, this club looks like maybe it was once something kind of interesting, possibly. But there's like, if at another time, well, I can see in some of these windows, but at one time all these windows are open and these are window open as well, but I think you could see out, but maybe not see in. But it's never been open since I've been here, so I've never actually seen what it would generally look like. If I remember right, I'll try to film. I'll try to connect at the end of this film some other stuff that I've filmed in this area before. And actually this is kind of interesting too, right? I don't know what it is. There's like a cage around it. Dang, I'm gonna get caught in this rain. But we're gonna walk. There's apartments up there too. All this food. This place is also closed. This corner used to be, probably used to be quite popular when the university was running, and now it's not so popular anymore, right? So it looks like, you know, the Venus Disco's closed, that restaurant is closed. But some of these places are still open, and you can see lots of apartments. And then once you get in here, there's a ton of apartments everywhere. Some high rises everywhere. You can see a lot of them. Then on the other side of that one is Central Park. Some 7-Eleven. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of catching some rain here, so. And this is like northeast Taipa, basically. So well, they got scales here. Like you can choose your fish and put it on a scale, and I think they're gonna come out and talk to me, so I better get out. Oh, there it is. That's the inside of it. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking here. I thought that employee was gonna ask me if I wanted to eat. Pretty cool too. Noodle shop. Camellia Technique. Pharmacy. Oops, sorry. There's a pharmacy there. Apartment building. And now we're gonna walk Bank of China, that big one over there. And this is the bus stop, so if you need to catch a bus, you can just take a look, check them all out, and you can see the bus routes. And they write it in English on one side and Chinese on the other side for the name of the location. But we're gonna keep on walking here. And it's raining, so I think, anyways, I'm gonna deal with the rain. Doesn't really matter so much to me. And I think I might actually get some noodles or something like that, and then I'll probably end this video when I find a good noodle shop. There's a bunch of construction stuff over here. Let me just see if this is my noodle shop that I'm going to eat at. She's kind of looking at me like she's never seen anybody looking at a menu before with a camera. Okay. Where are we at? 5 minutes? So this is just a little bit of a taste. I'm probably gonna go over this in a minute and I'm gonna walk down in that way. But I don't want to, this place right here is called Sue's Kitchen. I might just see what they have in their menu. Let's just take a look at Sue's Kitchen. Sue's Kitchen has like Vietnamese and Thai and different stuff, so we'll just see. Vietnamese raw beef noodle. So, okay, open 24 hours. So we'll probably end up going in there. So yeah, it's Sue's Kitchen. The lighting is so nice, actually. So we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.